because we have to stop at some point. There we go.
Okay, are you excited,
See on
Aiden?
your wrist, you can be the keeper of the winder.
Aiden, can you look at the camera and tell me if you're excited? A little bit or a lot? A lot, okay.
Okay, here it goes.
It's
Get
gonna
ready to
take
go.
off, love.
Ready?
Whoa.
Look at it go! That was so cool. Did you see it, Aiden? It went that way. You gotta get out from under the, this thing when it flies so you can see it go.
Oh, the wind is blowing this way.
How are you, Ellen? Is this exciting to you too? What do you think? Are you very excited? Yeah, the breeze makes a huge difference. Okay, Daddy's winding it up.
Hey, this flew pretty good, huh? Aiden?
So how do you get more lift?
Sweaty baby.
On these, not as much. These are going to throw it up more. Ready, Aiden?
Okay,
This way.
Aiden, come out under the thing so you can see it go.
Look, come here. Here it goes.
Keep an eye on your dad. You got this
Here
way.
it goes. You ready?
Whoa!
In the tree.
Oh,
Okay, on to the next one.
That way, Grandpa got much of. You know what? Maybe we ought to stand out here since it's going to go that way and they'll die before he gets to the tree.
yeah, that's not a good spot.
I'll get it. I'll shake the tree.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Aiden, you ready?
Let him use the winder. Aiden, do you want to use the winder?
Winder. Use the winder, son. There's a button.
Aiden, going.
Are you excited? Let me see your face. Let me see a smile for the camera.
Keep going.
Can you show me your most excited face?
Stop. Because it got finished. 100 winds. I think that's good. Okay, so out this way, right?
Probably stand right up here like towards the street and then let it. It's probably going to bank around this way and come down into the valley. Yeah, listen to me. Like I know. Hey, Aiden. Hey, you ready?
Watch the plane. It's gonna fly.
Oh,
Hmm.
That one needs an adjustment.
You want to come watch, Aiden? Look at it go. Is that so
That
cool?
was a pretty good landing.
Uh-huh.
I want you to throw it next time, okay?
And it landed on its landing gear. Aiden, did you see that?
That was an excellent landing. You are going to try
Yes,
that.
I think
want you
this
to
is
right now.
Aiden's turn this time. Daddy's winding. Okay, yes, Mommy of course brought you water.
A 100 winds. Maybe I should go a little harder.
Here, hand. Yeah, so you can get in the pool. But can you hand Mommy the water bottle and I'll open it for you? There are a couple of them in there.
Let's get a double wind on this one.
Okay, let's not take everything out.
I got a 200 on this one.
Oh, nice.
Oh boy, 200 wind.
Oh, yeah.
Fun.
Right.
Okay,
I
Aiden.
want you to throw it. Just point it up and let it go. Okay? Hold on to the propeller like this.
Here. I'll come out now.
You're going to hold on to the propeller like this. Just let it go, okay? All gonna unwind. Uh-oh. Lost the landing gear. Here, Daddy, I'll show you what this is. Okay, then watch this. See, I hold onto the propeller. Whoa! Whoa, there it goes.
Oh, yeah. I think 200 wines was good, honey.
Yeah, right? Everything was bigger. Okay, then you want to try? You have to hold it like this. Okay, hold it by the propeller. Ready, Abe?
Okay, Daddy's gonna have to do it. Yeah. Did you hear Aiden? Shade! Ouch! He doesn't like this.
Here we go.
Awesome!
Go. Oh, too many wines?
Oh, Daddy, you broke the rubber band?
Yeah, I broke it on the very end.
Oh, Papa.
Don't keep recording.
I was ready for this is going to be a good one, so I...
It was going to be a good one if it didn't break.
You know, and they've probably been in the package for a while, and then the rubber bands would be great.
Don't defend the plane. These rubber bands are just fun. Getting overwhelmed. That's what the machine's for. Stop those wasps.
It's all on camera, honey. People may think it's airplane sound effects, but it's not.
These wasps will run away now. Natural defenses.
Good one.
Nice landing too.
Is that pretty fun, Aiden? Can you tell me what noise they make? Thank you.
All that time I spent trying to be classy. Okay.
You got it. Okay, now Daddy's gonna do one. You wanna put that on the table? Okay, Daddy's gonna do one.
Oh, help, Dad! Another one! Another one! Are you going to carry it? Here we go. Oh! Uh-oh! We had a real accident there. It was in trouble.
Crash landing.
Don't worry. No worries.
Whoa, whoa! Oh, that's the ticket, Dad. Ah, yes.
Was that cool, Aiden? Here, come over here and tell me all about airplanes, please. I need you to explain them to me. How do airplanes work? Can you tell me what kind of airplanes are your favorite? Uh-huh. I see. Is there anything else you need to tell me?
Whoa, it's gliding.
Oh, that was a good one, honey.
That was.
Right.
You need to hang on tight.
Ready? Whoa, whoa.
Good one.
I get to pat your butt every time it lands.
It's a very pattable little butt, I must say.
Yes, it